This is such a fun board. Look at this. Look at that bounce. Exciting. We're going to be doing a Babylon today, by the way. I think the Babylon's a really cool looking keyboard. So we did some milky yellows. This was fun to do. I looped so many switches this week. We put in some cherry springs and we have our Babylon. And I'm using a set that I've never used before too. This is GMK Boho. I've never actually seen this set in person. Ooh, I'm excited to pair this with the Gatorone Milky Yellows. God, I love Milky Yellows. Sounds so good, dude. I am so excited for this. As someone who is lactose intolerant, is it still safe to use Milky Yellows? If you're careful, then yes. This is, I believe, an FR4 plate. So let's get those feetsies on now. Free feetsies. Those are some long feet. Dude, these are really long feet. That's so satisfying. I look at that. That is so satisfying to do. I did it on the first try on both. Yes, dude. I can't remember if these go anywhere. That is my only thing I can't remember. I have to go refer back to the video. And these will do last. Ooh, these are long gasket strips. Sorry guys, as I pause to make sure this is all good here. The most difficult part of this whole thing now. You guys ready? I am 100% gonna hurt my fingers doing this. I am so nervous. Oh boy. Ow, my fingers. That mounting system. Oh. Use a fork. What mounting system is this? This is trampoline mount. Please no, I'm gonna break the plate fork if I use the plate fork. This can be listed as a weapon. Honestly, it can. Okay, we did it though. My fingies are a little red right now, but we did it. We have Alex assembling a catapult. Yeah. No, actually this mount is actually pretty cool. Have you guys ever seen like something like this? It's pretty cool. It is indeed pretty neat. Might have to go in and fine tune the alignment, but I think we got it. This is such a fun board. Look at this. Look at that bounce. Ooh, exciting. Do we do accent arrows here? I don't think accent arrows will look good. Oh, this looks so damn good, actually. I am very happy with this. What do you guys think? Oh, dude, this looks... I think, you know what else adds to this board? The thicker side bezels and the thinner top and bottom. It's not super thin, so it's still like consistent enough anyways. But it's really nice. But how does it sound? We're about to find out. Let me put the keycaps back. How is this board still in stock? These alphas are so good. The shift, I think the left side definitely has some hollowness here for this particular board, but it's not like anything I'd be super upset about. Mods are okay here. The spacebar is great. The backspace does sound good. The enter's okay. I think the left shift might be, you can kind of hear the hollowness somewhat on both sides here, but I think it's just maybe the nature of this board. Dude, this sounds great. I am very happy with this build. I don't think a long pull spacebar would sound good here, if I'm being real. I'm so happy with this. This turned out fantastic. It looks so good with this set. Alrighty, well, this sounds fantastic. I am so happy with this. I hope the client likes it too. How's the board sound? It's very full sounding, in my opinion. It has just like this very full, comfortable typing feel. I love this. Thank you guys all so much for tuning in today. What a good stream to come back to. I think we had a good board. Bye, everybody.